Good morning, friends. Today we see the how to change extension of the files. You can see here I have four types of file. First is PDF, then second Word file, then third Excel file, and fourth publication. Okay, you know about this well. Okay, now you see here only the name seeing. This is new name. This file sync is a seed photos only, not the extension of that file. Okay, we want to show here the extension of that file. You want to go to control panel. In Windows 7, you go to start and control panel. In latest version, Windows 10 or in Windows 8.1, there is a one option is here, control panel. You can see here. Now I am going to insert that. Oh, you can see here the view by. Generally, it is in category views. You go to option point. Then you see here the three options. First category, second large icons, then small icon. You choose any one of them. I choose large icons. Oh, now you see here the fantastic things. Now you go to File Explorer option. Then I double click on it. Now this type of dialog box is open. You can see here General, then View, then Search. Now we want to go in View. Okay. Now you see here the number of options is front of us. In that you can see here the hide extension for known file types. Okay, you see here the checkbox, you uncheck it. Okay, now I am doing this. Okay, I uncheck it, then apply, then okay. Now I am coming on desktop. You can see here the new PDF, then seed photos docs. This is the extension of that file. Then observation Excel SX, then publication PUB. This is the extension of that file. Okay friends, this video is useful for you. Please give me one like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.